Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like your brain is just a browser with too many tabs open? Like your body is constantly buzzing, even when you are trying to relax? In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught in a cycle of constant doing, constant thinking, and constant noise. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for bringing order back to your life is something incredibly simple and often overlooked? Today, we're diving deep into the profound impact of stillness, how taking moments to just be can completely reorder your mind and body. This isn't just about sitting still, it is about cultivating an internal quiet that can transform your entire being. So let's start with the modern dilemma. We're bombarded with notifications, deadlines, and an endless stream of information. Our brains are wired for constant vigilance, which in short bursts is great, but prolonged, it leads to stress, anxiety, and a feeling of being perpetually overwhelmed. This mental chaos isn't just frustrating, it spills over into our physical health, causing sleepless nights, tension, and a general sense of fatigue. But what exactly do I mean by stillness? It's not about becoming a statue, it's about intentionally disengaging from the external noise and internal chatter. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your internal systems. This could be through a formal meditation practice, a few minutes of deep breathing, mindfully walking in nature, or simply taking a moment to sit in silence with your morning coffee, truly present. It's about creating space in your day for quiet reflection. Now, let's talk about the incredible ways stillness reorders your mind. When you regularly engage in moments of quiet, you start to declutter that mental browser. Your focus improves dramatically because you are training your brain to stay present and not jump from thought to thought. This leads to enhanced clarity, better decision making, and even a boost in creativity. Think about it. When your mind isn't racing, there is more room for new ideas and insights to emerge. It also helps with emotional regulation, allowing you to observe your feelings without being completely consumed by them. Have you ever noticed how much calmer you feel after just 5 minutes of quiet? Let me know in the comments below if you've experienced this. And it is not just your mind that benefits. Stillness has powerful effects on your body too. When you quiet your mind, your nervous system calms down. This leads to a reduction in stress hormones like cortisol, which when chronically elevated can cause a host of health issues. Stillness can lower your blood pressure, ease muscle tension, and significantly improve your sleep quality. Imagine waking up feeling truly refreshed. Regular practice can even strengthen your immune system, making you more resilient to illness. It's a complete internal overhaul. So, how can you start incorporating more stillness into your own life? It doesn't have to be a huge commitment. Start small. Try setting aside just 5 minutes each day. Maybe it's first thing in the morning before you grab your phone, or right before bed. You could try a simple breathing exercise where you just focus on your breath. Another great way is to find mindful moments throughout your day, like really savoring your lunch or paying full attention to the feeling of walking instead of letting your mind wander. Consider a short digital detox hour or even just taking a quiet walk in a park. The key is consistency, not duration. In essence, stillness isn't just a luxury, it is a necessity for our well being in the modern world. It's about giving your mind and body the essential time and space they need to heal, recharge, and function at their best. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or just want to bring more peace and clarity into your life, I truly encourage you to give stillness a try. Even a few minutes can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on mind body wellness, and share your favorite ways to find stillness in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.